sling decision kalau mudahkan.
The National People's Party Nongstoin bloc officially reconstituted its new leadership team. Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Watlang formally assumed the position of the president after joining the NPP a few months ago. On the same day, the party welcomed supporters of MLA Gabriel Watlang, who had previously been associated with the Congress Party. The party also received former HSPDP leaders from Nongstoin into its fold. Furthermore, the meeting accepted and discussed applications from individuals seeking to contest the MDC elections under the NPP banner from the Nongstoin constituency.
Nanti bandron yang kesokan. Bomba kecil, bomba tujuh, bomba jokti, bomba kejekoma. Kamdam, yang ke parti, ke elit, yang ke government.